You need to make a screen recording, but you're not quite sure how to do it. The first thing you're going to do is to open your control center by pulling down from the top right corner of your iPad screen. Once you open your control center, you want to look for the icon for screen recording that's circled here. If that's missing, you need to go into Settings. Once you have Settings open, then scroll down to where you see Control Center just below General, and on the right side, click where it says Customize Controls. The button for screen recording is under More Controls down near the bottom, so you'll need to move to the bottom, tap the green plus sign beside Screen Recording, and it will now appear up in the top under Include. Now you're ready to use screen recording. Before you open your control center though, I really encourage you to make sure that whatever you want to screen record is already open on your screen. Then you're going to open the control center and tap on the screen record button. Once you tap on the screen record button, you will see it count down from 3 to 2 to 1. Then you are recording. Once you see that countdown begin, tap anywhere on your screen to close the control center so that you can record only what you need to record. You will know you're recording because you will see this red icon up at the top of your screen. Once you're finished your recording, if you just tap that red icon, you will get a message box saying, "Do you want to stop recording?" and you will click Stop. It will automatically save your recording into your photos and you will get a message. You can see that message right here at the top of this screen. Then all you need to do to retrieve your video is open Photos and you will find it as the last item submitted in your videos. One other thing, the default setting for screen recording videos is that the recording only captures sound that's created by whatever you're running on your iPad. If you want to capture sound outside the iPad, if you tap that screen record button and hold it, you will see a message box pop up where you can add the microphone so that you can talk over your video as you're recording it. I hope this answers any questions that you had about screen recording your iPad.